Hello, I am Cindy Johnny from class with the number metric, and today I would like to present about my plant-based fertilizer called 3-in-1 Greenery Booster. Enjoy! Plants can generally grow without fertilizers, but they may take more time to get the elements they need to develop well. Fertilizer is a material that provides one or more nutrients that plants need by aiding improvements in the physical and chemical properties of the soil, besides raising its fertility. Plant-based fertilizers work best in biologically active soil that is regularly enriched with compost, cover crops, and decomposing mulches. Most of the problems encountered by plants is soil fertility imbalance, stunted plant growth due to the growth of other small plants around the main plant as they will compete for nutrients, and the lack of essential nutrients to support the biological needs of plant that will then decrease its growth rate. The main objective of this project is to identify the effectiveness of using the 3-in-1 Greenery Booster fertilizer in garden asparagus. Hypothesis of this project: the garden asparagus will grow faster in length and will develop more young spears with the incorporation of the 3-in-1 Greenery Booster fertilizer compared to the garden asparagus grown using regular soil only. The significance of this project: plant-based fertilizer suitable for all plant types. Ingredients are easy to find, cost-effective, environmentally friendly product, benefits all living things as it does not cause harm physically. 3 garden asparagus, all measuring in 5 centimeters in length, were planted in 3 different mediums of soil. Pot A is regular soil, Pot B is rice husk compost soil, and Pot C containing half of regular soil and half of rice husk compost soil. Day 1. Day 5. Day 10. Day 11. Only Pot C is added with the 3-in-1 Greenery Booster fertilizer. Pot A and Pot B remain unfertilized. Day 21. This is the final product. As Pot C were added with the 3-in-1 Greenery Booster fertilizer on day 11, it has shown significant growth when observed on day 21, where its length shows the highest increase, 16.3 cm compared to Pot B, 14.9 cm, and Pot A, 11.9 cm. Although Pot B was not added with the fertilizer, it still showed a higher length increase compared to Pot A. Pot C shows no growth of smaller plants around the asparagus, whereas Pot A and B still have them. For the first 11 days of growth, Pot B containing rice husk compost as its soil has shown the highest in length growth from 5 cm to 11.8 cm, followed by Pot C 11.3 cm and Pot A 9.5 cm. Pot B also contains the most abundant growth of smaller plants around the asparagus compared to Pot C and A. Not only that, only Pot B developed new spears of asparagus poking out of the ground. Results shown in Pot B on the first 11 days prove that the rice husk compost helps the asparagus grow considerably faster than in either gravel or soil, as it contains a high carbon and nitrogen ratio essential in supplying nutrition to support all the asparagus's biochemical needs. When pot C was nourished with the 3-in-1 Greenery Booster fertilizer, new spears of asparagus started to develop due to the help from the garlic peels that are enriched with potassium, thus helps boost growth besides maximizes the productivity of the asparagus. The smaller plants growing around the asparagus was no longer seen in pot C, although they were still seen in pot A and B. Peanut shells are great for mulching as they have hard texture similar to wood chips, thus takes longer time to decompose. This makes them useful as a protective layer besides forming nitrogen as they decompose to add nutrients essential for the asparagus' growth.